So guys, how to use overlay in Premiere Pro? It's really simple. We have our raw footage in the timeline. Let's bring the ink splash effect to the timeline. So this is our effect. Now to show video inside this effect, select the effect clip, then go to effect, or from here select the effect, then search for invert. Under video effect channel, left click, drag and drop. Now go to effect control, change blend mode from normal to multiply or darken. The invert effect using the RGB, you can play with others like HLS, lighten, is totally up to you. Now let's use our snow overlay. So go to project, then bring our snow overlay to the timeline. You can download it from anywhere, just search in Google like snow overlay. Select the snow overlay clip. Let's scale it down because it's on 4K. Now it's not showing anything. To apply the overlay which have like this black background, just change the blend mode from normal to screen. That's all. Let's see what we have. So guys, that's how easily we can add overlay in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.